Hello again, my name is Bryant, your 2 gig specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Z-Wave devices. Alright. If you have purchased door locks, light switches, or thermostats, you will have a services button on your home screen, and this will be where you go to activate those Z-Wave devices. Select services and Z-Wave, and it'll list whatever devices you used. We have a thermostat, so we're going to select our thermostat. You give it time to acquire the network, and then it'll show you the status. So you'll be able to control for fan using the left and right arrows that turns it on and auto or off. You have your mode, left and right arrows, that'll be how you control moving from cool to heat. Then you have your up and down arrows for set point, that'll be how you adjust your temperatures. Also, you have the battery meter here, that'll let you know your battery range. If you have door locks, of course you'll do door locks, and you'll notice that you'll see whether it's locked or unlocked. You just choose whichever command and it'll send automatically. Same with the light switches. You will also notice that you have a scenes button in your services. If you select scenes, it will give you the choice to set up different settings with your Z-Waves. Like, let's say you want to set up a scene for when you're away from work. Depending on how many Z-Wave devices you have, you may want a certain number of lights on, a certain number of lights off, your thermostat set a certain temperature, a certain number of doors locked or unlocked. You just create that scene by hitting add scene, you label it, and that's how you do that. After you label it, you have to add an action. So while we're at work, I'm going to add the action for our thermostat. We want our temperature right now, we want it on cool. We want our temperature set for 75, and we hit OK. And that's how you add that action. And if you want to add multiple actions, you just keep adding until you finish adding your actions. And then all you will have to do is, when you're on the way to work, since that was your scene, you hit run, and it'll go ahead and send that command to all your Z-Wave devices. This keeps you from having to go in individually and turning this light on, this light off, this light on, this, you know. And you won't have to use the check network button or the wrench button. Those are for us for servicing also. That is your Z-Wave devices.